Shatayla Ray, and you know I came to slay. It's Shatayla Ray, and you know I came to slay. Okay. Hey y'all, what's up? What's poppin'? It's the one and only Shatayla Ray, and you know I came to slay. If you're new here, what's up? What's poppin'? And if you're returning, you know the vibes. So today, I'm here with my girl.
Good day.
Period. And we are doing a 90s theme, get your nails done with me type video. So yeah, my theme is 90s because I got something on the way for y'all, so I just want y'all to stay tuned and continue to watch this video.
Oh, he want a bad bitch. Well, I want a nigga with some money and a long dick. Buy me everything in my card if you my boyfriend. Invest in this pussy, boy, support black business. Get it for a bad bitch, spend it for a bad bitch. If you got some money, then trick on a bad bitch. Spend it for a bad bitch, get it for a bad bitch. If you got some money, nigga, trick on a bad bitch. bad bitch. I'm sick of motherfuckers trying to tell me how to live. Web hoes hate under my pictures on the gram. Bitch, you better hope I never run across your man.